Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, I just want to give you a quick update of my next project. So this is the VTOL Rcplane, or you can say like VTOL F-35 Rcplane. So I'm working on this. Actually, this is mainly developed by a YouTuber named Rehm. So he provided all the plan details and code. I'm just working on it. So it is not finished yet, so I'm tweaking some parameters and all. Just I want to give you a quick update about my project. So I just want to show you this. So basically this is a 3-motor plane. Okay, so you can see the front, there is a motor. So you can see here, front there is a motor, back side you have 2 motors. Okay, the front one will act like a yaw, so that will be changing the direction when it is hovering. Okay, so and you can see here servos. We are using 5 servos on this project, and we are using some control board here. So all the details, anyhow, I'll make you another video once I tweak all these things and once it is stable enough to fly. Okay, so this code and all, it's not mine. Credit goes to Rehm. So I will give you those links also in the build video once it is successfully flying. Okay, so let me give you a clear picture about this project. Is like, yeah, so this is VTOL Rcplane. In this plane actually there will be 3 modes. In the first mode it will be in hover. That is where you see it will be hovering like this. Okay, the second mode is the transition. That means these control surfaces will be adjusted. Okay, then you are able to control these control surfaces. Okay, that is the transition flight. And the third one will be forward flight. That time this will be coming straight and level. Okay, so I will show you the quick demonstration of these things. Okay, so how actually this will work. Okay, so I made this plane out of 5mm depron. Okay, and I'm using 9-gram servos, and I'm using 2300 kV motor from Rehm. Okay, I'm using the same 20 amps ESC for every motor. Okay, that is also from Rehm only. So let me show you quickly what this can do. Okay, so I'm switching on this. So I will connect this one. So I'm connecting the battery. Now you can see, right, that is going down, and at present it is in hover mode. Okay, so in this mode it will hover like this. So you can see when I'm adjusting this, you can see motor is spinning. Okay, so that is the mode. And so like this. Okay, so here you can see, so motors will be pointing down in this mode. Okay, you can see here, so see, pointing down. Okay, so like this in this mode. See, you can see now motors are pointing down. Let's go to the second mode. Okay, so that is transition flight mode. So I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you can see, so I will change this mode to transition flight mode. So I pressed on this button, that will be coming little up. Now you will have control over these surfaces. Okay, so now you can see, so in this flight you will have control over. Okay, see? like this. It will be like this. Okay, at present it is in transition mode. You can see that is also kind of like a down only, but compared to earlier this will be little up, but it is not leveled. You can see here in this mode like this. Okay, now let's go to third mode. So that is forward flight mode. So I will flip the switch now. See, now it is coming level. See? Okay, so you can see here it is trying to stabilize this. See? Okay, so like this. Now all these control surfaces will be moving. Okay, see, now I'll show you this. See, in this flight mode like this. Next, see, okay, I'll show you from here. This will just fly like a jet plane. Okay, so okay, so at present I am tweaking some parameters. Once it is flying smoothly, I'll show you the flying video and also build video. He already posted videos, but it is not like a full portion. Means from not everything in instructions. You need to figure out a few things. So that's why I just want to show you the process. Okay, so credit goes to Nicholas Rehm. He is the original designer. Okay, so I'm just following his script and following his instructions. I'm just tweaking some parameters. Once it is okay, so I'll post all information in one build video. Okay, so if anybody watching first time my channel, please subscribe to my channel and activate that bell icon so that you can get my future video notification. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.